7.5. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Here comes the dive, here comes the dive, here comes the dive. How far do we go? I don't know. If we take out, you know, 37.50 is 75 points down and trading at $6 right now. That's crazy, right? That's huge. There's nothing that's good. There's nothing that's good out there. Oh, we're going to go look at this one real quick. Okay. So SPX down 35. That puts it at 37.90. You got 37.48, and then a collapse, 38.52, and then back up. And then we see. Okay? NVIDIA 142, 138, 136, 131. Now, here's the problem. It's down a lot. It can go down lower. But it's not going to go down $10 and $20 a day. That's a problem. Okay, so just know that. Lam Research, completely broken, 372, 351. Avago, 148, 468, 461. Goldman Sachs. So the dollar is flying. The dollar is way up. Now remember, so if the dollar is up, that's bad for the market. Okay, why is dollar up bad for the market? So if you sell something overseas, you have to pay more dollars to get a dollar, right? If the price is higher. So if the dollar's up and say you're converting EU money, then you have to pay more EUs to get a dollar because the dollar's higher. So that means you make less money in dollars. Okay, that takes the market down. Apple, if it breaks, 130, 131, 132. This thing's got 109 written all over it. Okay. Qualcomm, good news, nobody came to protect it, 119, 106. AMAT, breaking, 81. Restoration Hardware, why is this not at 200? The CEO told you the stock is shit. He said the world is shit, the stock is shit. And they take it up. RH, Letitia. Crazy, right? Straight down. But this is the world you have, where a couch that costs $2,000 goes to $3,000, goes to $4,000, goes to $5,000, and he doesn't want to discount it. He's not paying $3,000 more for that couch. He's not even paying $500 more for that couch. He just knows he can't. Pan W, 498, 491. These were strong Fridays. Zscaler, Pan W, and CrowdStrike were strong. 171 on CrowdStrike. MDB, 252, 241. Needs 306 to be better. Snowman, 137 down, 146 up. NOW, 506 up, way up there, 506 up. But if this takes out 400, it's way down there, 400. This will drop another 100. So just, why am I telling you this? So just keep it in your mind for the next 6 months. If and when it ever breaks 400, it's going to drop 100. Okay? Interesting. Google, down about 30. You got 2,100. Think about this. This thing ran up 100 points when somebody said they had the worst month in their history of selling ads. Wow. That's telling you the spikes you can get. Tesla, here we drop, 632. If it breaks, this thing can get to 500 this week. Not saying it's going to break 600. If it does. Okay? UPSD working lower, 29 and 26. MicroStrategy all about 150. Coinbase, if and when it breaks 45, it's going to go to 31. 31. Wow. California has approved a plan to tax the EV battery metal lithium to generate revenue for projects. Wow. Everybody's taxed. Interesting. Tomorrow, there's a rumor, and I don't know. I've looked into this, and I can't get a definitive. When you can't get definitives on Tesla, on the internet, very interesting. The Trump put on all these tariffs for China, right? All these tariffs. 4 or 5 people have told me, but I haven't been able to confirm, that the tariffs come off tomorrow. because basically the law goes away on the tariffs. You have to enable it. Biden has to sign another piece of paper, as simple as signing the paper says we're extending the tariffs for another year or 2 years. But that's the opportunity to take them off. If he takes them off, chips and everything else will spike up. They will go way up. Well, wait a second, Sam, you just said all the chips are going to shit. They are. Doesn't mean if the tariffs come off, you don't have a rally of ages for 2 days. And then they go to shit afterward. Okay? So just know this. I don't know. I have not been able to confirm. If somebody can confirm on the tariffs, let us know. But from what I'm hearing is the law goes away. He would have to just continue with it. It's just an extension. Or he can let them go off. Here comes Tesla. Dive. Going to go to shit. Because it becomes, there's very few plays you can make a ton of money to the downside right now because they've gone down so much. You're not, and when NVIDIA was sitting at 230, 250, it would go down 20 or 25 in a day. It's not going to go down 25 in a day. That means you're going to have to sell them and see what happens. Okay? You got Avago, you got Now, you got MDB, you got a few of those that can go down 20, 30, 40 in a day. Tesla, MicroStrategy. Okay? MU is just going to work lower. No reason to do it. New article, Biden closer tariff rollback. See, but those are the articles I see. But a rollback is different. If a law expires and you have to renew it, he's not doing anything. He's just letting it roll off the books. I don't know what's real. Okay? So then we see. Okay. Comments, questions, what else? JP Morgan, price target, Tesla, 385. Amazon cancels the delays plans for 12 warehouses, 16 warehouses, absolutely. That's what we know. Doesn't matter if the economy is great. Here's what matters. I'm going to close with this. Here's what matters. If a company was making $1 billion and they make $980 million, that's bad. That's bad. That's no growth. Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat.